Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is scan documents into PDF using a Tiny Scanner. So, guys, Tiny Scanner application will be available on the Google Play Store into your device. And now you can just simply open the application. Now, right away, you should be able to see the tap to scan down below. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, tap on it again. And from here, tap on allow. And after that, it will open up your camera. So guys, I have a PDF over here. So I'm just gonna take a picture of this one and take a picture. And after that, it will scan it. And you can just simply select the picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now it will be processed. And you will have here multiple options. It's either color, black and white, photo, or grayscale. So let's say I'm gonna go for color, and down below you could adjust the filter over here, and you could adjust the size as well. So pretty much you will have some options over here, and you will have crop as well, which you can edit out excess pictures. And now we just simply select the check on the bottom right corner, and it will be processed. And from here, you should be able to have a PDF application. You could just simply select share at the bottom. And from here, you could share as PDF, JPEG, or link. And you could just simply tap on share down below. And from here, you could just share it into your friends. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.